Combining metal and wood for rustic dining tables achieves a harmonious balance between industrial strength and warm, inviting charm. This design concept is versatile, making it suitable for diverse interiors such as modern lofts, industrial spaces, and cozy farmhouses. Creating such a table involves selecting complementary materials, employing functional assembly techniques, and paying attention to the finishing touches that enhances its overall appeal. By embracing a meticulous step-by-step approach, you can craft a stunning piece of furniture that embodies both durability and character. The selection of wood plays a central role in defining the rustic aesthetic. Reclaimed wood is an excellent choice due to its sustainability and unique weather charm. Old barn wood, salvage planks, or dismantled pallets from local reclamation yards or demolition sites offer rich textures and natural imperfections that enhance the design's character. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple are particularly advantageous due to their strength and grain patterns. Start by thoroughly cleaning the wood, removing old nails or screws, and sanding the surface to smooth out splinters while retaining the natural textures that contribute to its rustic appeal. For a cohesive tabletop, consider carefully matching planks with similar tones and grains. Metal components anchor the design with an industrial edge, offering strength and durability. Steel tubing, angle iron, or flat bar stock are excellent materials, easily sourced from hardware stores, metal suppliers, or scrap yards. Decide on the overall frame style, which could range from sleek and minimalist to more ornate options featuring decorative rivets or cross braces. Clean the metal to remove dirt, rust, or grease using a wire brush or sandpaper. This step not only improves its appearance but also prepares the surface for painting, powder coating, or sealing later. Tools like angle grinders or metal saws ensures precise cuts for a professional quality frame. The construction of the table frame requires accuracy and stability. Lay out the metal component according to your design blueprint, ensuring all measurements for the legs, support, and crossbars are precise. A classic rectangular table typically includes 4 vertical legs connected by horizontal support at the top and bottom. Welding creates seamless strong joints for a polished look. If welding is not an option, bolted connection using corner brackets or gussets provide a practical alternative. Reinforce the frame with diagonal braces for added stability. Use tools like a tape measure, level, and square to maintain symmetry and ensure the table sits evenly on the floor. Attaching the wooden tabletop to the metal frame is a critical step in assembly. Lay the prepared planks flat on a surface, aligning their edges carefully. Join them together using biscuits, dowels, or pocket hole screws to create a smooth, cohesive surface. Reinforce the tabletop with metal straps or brackets placed perpendicular to the planks beneath the surface. Center the metal frame on the wood, ensuring alignment. Drill pilot holes through the metal frame into the wood. Then secure it with screws or bolts. This method ensures a stable connection while allowing the wood to expand or contract with temperature and humidity changes. The finishing stage brings the table to life, transforming raw materials into a cohesive and eye-catching design. Select a wood stain or finish that enhances the natural grain while complementing the metal frame. Dark walnut or espresso stains paired with matte black frame create a timeless industrial look, while lighter finishes offer a softer aesthetic. Protect the wood with polyurethane, tank oil, or a similar sealant to guard against spills and wear. For the metal, powder coating provides a durable professional finish available in a variety of colors. If you prefer a raw industrial look, use a clear protective coat to highlight the metal's natural texture and patina. Incorporating functional elements elevate the table's usability. Adjustable feet installed on the metal legs ensure stability on uneven floors, a common challenge in older homes or outdoor settings. These feet, available at hardware stores, are easy to attach and protect the floor from scratches. Hidden storage compartments or drawers integrated into the frame offer discrete spaces for storing utensils, linings, or smaller items. For bar height or high-top tables, adding a footrest bar between the legs enhances comfort without detracting from the design's aesthetic. Personalization is where your creativity shines. Consider adding decorative details like exposed walls, rivets, or bolts that celebrate the industrial craftsmanship of the table. Bend patterns, curved designs, or etched initials can be incorporated into the wood surface for a unique touch. Experiment with mixed materials, such as combining metal with glass or stone to add visual interest. Pairing a steel frame with copper or brass accents introduces an elegant twist to the rustic industrial theme, while mixing different wood types creates contrast and depth. Positioning the completed table in your space is crucial for maximizing its impact. Place it in a wall-light area to highlight its textures and materials. Pair it with chairs that complement its style. Metal or wooden chairs are popular choices that tie the design together. For an eclectic look, consider mixing and matching seating styles. Accessories like centerpieces, candles, or a vase of fresh flowers add warmth and personality to the table. An area rack beneath the table defines the dining space, while pendant lighting overhead accentuates its central role in the room. Maintenance ensures the table remains a centerpiece for years to come. Clean the wood surface regularly with a damp cloth and mild soap, avoiding harsh chemicals that may damage the finish. Reapply furniture wax or oil periodically to maintain the wood's luster and protect it from daily wear. The metal frame requires minimal care. Equip wipe down with a damp cloth surfaces to remove dust and maintain its appearance. Inspect the frame periodically for signs of rust or loose connections, addressing any issues promptly to preserve the table's structural integrity. For smaller spaces, consider adapting the design to create a more compact version. Bistro-style tables with smaller dimensions are perfect for apartment or breakfast nooks. Foldable components such as collapsible legs or removable tabletops enhance the table versatility and make it easy to store when not in use. This design caters to the urban living without sacrificing style or functionality, offering a practical solution for those with limited space. Sourcing materials strategically can significantly reduce costs while adding unique character to your table. Salvaged wood and metal are often available for free or at low prices from reclamation yards, construction sites, or even online marketplaces. Renting tools like saws, drills, or welders reduce upfront expenses and is particularly useful for one-time projects. Repurposing material from old furniture or industrial scraps not only minimize waste but also add a story to your finished piece, making it even more special. Lighting and decor further enhance the table's presence. Industrial pendant lights or chandeliers with Edison bulbs highlight its rugged charm, while softer lighting options create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Tableware with clean lines and simple patterns complement the rustic aesthetic without overwhelming it. Incorporating textures like woven placemat or linen napkins add depth and contrast to the table setting, completing the look. This blend of metal and wood creates a dining table that embodies timeless design and contemporary functionality. The juxtaposition of steady metal with warm wood results in a piece that feels both solid and inviting. By thoughtfully selecting materials, assembling frame with care, and paying attention to finishing details, you can craft a table that becomes a true centerpiece in your home. This design approach celebrates individuality, sustainability, and craftsmanship, making it a rewarding project that combines creativity and practicality. Rustic metal wood dining tables not only serve as functional furniture but also tell a story of resilience and artistry. The blend of industrial and natural elements creates a timeless appeal that suits various interiors and personal styles. By following this detailed process, you can achieve a stunning result that reflects your creativity and commitment to quality. This table becomes more than just furniture. It becomes a reflection of your vision and a testament to the beauty of combining contrasting materials into a harmonious whole. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.